Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your selling bag manufacturing business. Suppose as the owner of selling bag manufacturing business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to share product details, take orders, and provide real-time production updates. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your selling bag manufacturing business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want to buy bags. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Hey there, welcome to Pabbly Custom Selling Bag Experts. How can we assist you today? Now we have two options, Selling Bag Designs, Place Order. Now simply click on Selling Bag Designs. After clicking, you will see I am getting the response. Take a look at some of our most popular selling bag styles. Now we have an Order Now button. Simply click on it. After clicking, we are getting another response. Great choice. Let's create your perfect selling bag. First, may I have your full name? Now I am entering my name, Test User. After typing my name, you will see I'm getting another response. What kind of design or feature do you want? I want black in color with 2 pockets. Now we are getting another response. How many selling bags would you like to order? I want 2 bags. After typing 2, I'm getting another message. Here's your order summary. Name test user, design black in color with 2 pockets, quantity 2. Now simply click on confirm button. After clicking confirm button, we are getting our last message. Thanks test user, your custom selling bag order is confirmed. So you will see I'm getting the responses. Now we are go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this chat flow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser. Now we simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in. Otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp Number. Now we have 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have Contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option Settings and Get Help. Now simply click on Flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on Add Flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your selling bag manufacture business. Now we have 2 options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. This format helps us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Hey there, welcome to Pabbly Custom Selling Bag Experts. How can we assist you today? Now in this we also add buttons. Selling Bag Designs, Place an order. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. Take a look at some of our most popular Sling bag styles: casual, office, travel, minimalist. Now in this we also add some media. So simply click on add content and click on media button and simply upload the media which I already downloaded. Now enter the caption office bag and we also add order now button. Now we take another media box and simply upload the media. In this we also add caption minimalist bag and simply add order now button. When user press Sling bag designs, then we will send over this message. Now we take question box. In this box we ask a name from user and select the contact custom field, full name, also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this place order button to this question box and also connect order now button to this question box. Now save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box and write some message on it. What kind of design or feature do you want? Now select the contact custom field, product and select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a quantity from user. How many Sling bags would you like to order? And select the contact custom field quantity. Also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Here your order summary, name, design, quantity. In this we also add confirm button and simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take text button and write our last message on it. Thanks, $full name, your custom Sling bag order is confirmed. And you will see I am using asterisk sign and dollar sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text and dollar sign is used to when user write their name, the dollar sign replace their name with full name. Now simply connect this confirm button to this message box and save the flow. Now you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to increase your chat flow according to your needs, you can easily do. Now we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type Sling bag. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.